Hey YouTube, this is Calvin. This is going to be the sequel for the ram pump part number 2. And this one I'm going to show you guys my setup and explain how it works. This is all the top part is a 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe, and the elevation gain is about 4 feet to the pump, and it's about 20-foot long PVC pipe from that upper falls there. Then it goes into this ball valve, so I can actually take out this whole pump in case I need to service it or anything. And then there's 2 check valves. This one here is a swing check valve, and then that one there is a spring check valve. So water built up momentum coming out of the first one, like you can see here. The water starts speeding up, and then it gets pushed into this black pressure chamber. The pressure chamber builds up air pressure, and then it has nowhere else to go because the spring check valve won't let it come back out. So it's forced into this 1/2 inch irrigation line, and that goes 500 feet all the way up that hill. And it looks like it's tall, but it's not really. It's only like 30 or 40 feet of elevation gain there, and it just follows that ridge line all the way to the reservoirs where we store the water. So it's pretty simple setup. It didn't take me very long and didn't cost me very much. Only about, I don't know, 150 bucks for this whole thing, and free water. So that 150 is going to pay back real fast next year when we have to use this for the whole summer to water the garden. So the next spot I want to take you to is the reservoirs up at the garden, and I'll show you how much water we have and how it works. So here are the tanks that I was talking about. This is the line, the 1/2 inch from the creek, the ram pump. It goes up here, and then these are all connected together with individual ball valves to turn each one on and off. And then we got over here is the overflow, and that just goes down there in the weeds. I haven't seen that overflow yet, but so these are each 300 gallons each. Let's see if you can see this. It says 250 right there, and the top is 300. The water line is just above the 225 gallon mark, and this one is a little below it. That's okay. I cut it back into the hillside so that it's level, and then for the output I connected both of them together, and let's see, under here is a pressure pump that just pressurizes the system. It has a timer control that is in the garden, and you just turn it on. It's an hour timer. And let's see, here's a splitter. This one goes to the sprinkler, and this one goes to the garden. And I don't know, I'm pretty pleased with this project. It's saved us a little bit of water and in watering the garden, and I think it's gonna work good. So thanks for watching this video, and if you want to see more my awesome projects, just like it and subscribe. And if you got any comments, just write on there, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. So I will see you guys next on the next video. Thanks.